Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So tonight we are going to make some jacked up shrimp. They have a restaurant in Baton Rouge that has been there since before I was born that does these, and they are so good. So we're going to need shrimp, a pound of shrimp, some bacon, some jalapenos, finely chopped and de-seeded, and some pepper jack cheese and a little bit of butter. So first we're going to take our bacon and we're going to cook it. I'm going to go ahead and set the oven to 500 degrees. Bacon's sizzling now. Washing up the jalapenos. Oops. And de-seeding. Oops. I'm putting a thin slice of butter in each of the little pans, the cupcake pans. You want to take your shrimp and just lightly season them with a Creole season. Just mix them together. And we'll put our shrimp in. I'm putting enough shrimp to fill the bottom of the pan. So for these it's taken about 2 shrimp. I'm going to use up all these shrimp. Okay, you want to evenly distribute your bacon. It said to chop up 4 pieces of bacon, so and then your jalapenos. And then your pepper jack cheese. And then sprinkle the top with parsley. I don't have any fresh. And into the oven, 500-degree oven, for 10 to 12 minutes. Jacked up shrimp. Let them cool off a minute, and I'm going to take a bite.
I want to give these a try. Absolutely awesome. I actually did a video on this a long time ago. They were not this good. She's much better at it than I am. You guys got to try this.
Okay, y'all, there you have it. They were a hit. They're very good. I'm going to make another batch, though, and I need the pan, so I had to put them all in the Tupperware. But thank you for watching, and if you decide to make this, let me know what you think, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you all on the next video.
She made a second batch. Delicious.